Hello everyone. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to earn $1,500 using a brand new strategy. You don't need any skill and you don't need any experience to do this. The best part about this method is that this is 100% free and available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from, you can use today's method and start making money online. Before we started, welcome to the Make Money Mindset channel. Here we will be helping you to achieve your goals by showing you how to make money online with step-by-step tutorials of earning money from home. Subscribe Make Money Mindset and click the notification bell if you enjoy our video. As a result, whenever I come up with a new and innovative way to make money online, you'll be the first to know. As a result, make the most money. To earn this 100% passive income over and over, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. Now let's get started. Autopilot.ai is the name of the website we're using. Basically, you can colorize your black and white photos on this website. For example, if your photo is black and white, like the one on the left, you can use this free website to convert it to color. This can assist you in making money online. You can see how to upload a black and white photo by scrolling down on this website. You can convert a black and white photo like this into a colored image like this. You can sell them for $10 or $20 simply by showing them on this website for free. So I'll give you a quick demonstration of how to do it. I'll show you a couple of websites where we can start selling our service and making money. When you get to the bottom of the page, you'll see a colorization factor where you can choose whatever you want. Then select the photos that should be black and white by clicking this button. So I'll go ahead and press this button, and I'll be able to upload photos to this website. Remember, you can do this on your phone as well. Right now, I'm going to choose one of these photos and start uploading these black and white photos to this website. The original photo is a black and white photograph, as you can see. As you can see, this free website is pretty cool because you can actually color these photos. Now we can directly compare the two images, and you'll notice that they have the colors of a black and white photograph. This is really cool because you can upload photos with just one click of a button, and you can do it for free if you have no prior experience with this website. The next step is to download the results by clicking on this link, Download Here. As you can see, I began downloading these photos to my computer, and you can do the same with your phone. So just to show you the end result, I'll just click on these photos to show you that I've successfully turned the black and white photos into colored ones. I can download them for free on this website, and I don't have to pay anything, nor do I have to create an account. So this is a fantastic opportunity for you. So go ahead and download these images right now with just a few mouse clicks. The first thing you can do is use this website called Autopilot.ai to color pictures. Before going to the next step, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from. So please tell me your country in the comments section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. Now back to the video. Now, I'll show you a second option that you can use with pictures, such as this website here, remove.background. Basically, you can do this for free on this website, and it's completely automated. You can remove a photo's background, so this is your original image, for example. So once you've used the software and this website, you'll be able to remove the background. This is how you can use this new opportunity to remove the backgrounds. Now return to this page and click on this blue button right here to upload an image, and I'll just use this as an example. As you can see, I uploaded the original photo to remove the background website with just one click of a button, and the background was automatically removed. As you can see, I can start downloading this without even registering or spending any money on this website. Now, I'd like to show you a few websites where you can make money by using those services. Fiverr.com is the first. Once you've arrived at this page, type in a keyword, such as colorized photos, and then press the search button right here. Then you can go to this page and see different people from all over the world selling the service. And you can see people colorizing a black and white photo as I scroll down below. For example, in this one, they colorize black and white photos into colorful images, and I believe it costs $10 to do so. As you can see, people are paying for these services. There are people from all over the world who are profiting from this opportunity to color black and white photographs. As you can see, you can accomplish the same goal by using the hotpot.com website, which I previously demonstrated. For example, the seller right here is offering his professional coloring services, and all he does is color the black and white photos in the colorful picture, which he can then sell for a set price. So I'll go to the calculator, and as you can see, the service costs $5, and he has 806 customers. He's making $4,030, which is a substantial sum, by coloring photos on a free website like this one. What's more incredible is that you can create your own basic package, a standard package for $10 or a premium package for $25. As you can see, the earning potential is enormous. So I just want to show you how simple it is to make money online if you know how to do it correctly. So if you want to create a free Fiverr account and start selling and making money online, click here. All you have to do now is click on this Become a Seller link, and you'll be taken to this page where you can create a free account. To become a seller, simply click on this green button right here. You can now enter your email address and click the Continue button. Now it seems that there are a lot of photos, but as you can see here, it's very simple, just a few seconds, and you can colorize photo automatically without any experience. So this is the opportunity that I wanted to share with you, which can help you make money online. That's exactly how you make money from this website. If you want to learn more strategies how to earn money online fast, check out some of my other tutorials on this channel, subscribe, and make sure you hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my future uploads here. Drop a like and tell me in the comments down below what you personally think about this make money online method. Stay tuned and have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.